So we are going to set up internet access using Lyca Mobile Uganda. So we shall go to under settings, we shall go to Wi-Fi and connection. Then we go to mobile networks, and then we select the access point names, and then we add. So here the name is Lyca Lyca Mobile Uganda. So we can add the access point name as app dot Lyca 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 Mobile dot ug. So we can add the proxy. I can say subscribe. You can just write anything you want. So for me, I'm reminding you people to subscribe on tech tech Kevin. Okay. So you can also add the APN protocol, Then we shall select IP version 4 stroke IP version 6, and then the APN roaming protocol. We shall also select IP version 4 stroke IP version 6, and then under bearer here we shall also it is selected as unspecific. We shall also add LTE, and then we say OK. So we can also select the authentication type here. Here we select the PAP or the CHAP. Select that. So we can just simply save this. Okay, save that.